You like it? You can have it.
I'd rather have this.
For centuries, karate masters knew that if you could focus the energy in your body a certain way, you could, for a split second, generate tremendous amounts of power. Now, what's interesting is that what's happened here is no mystery, only some simple, scientifically sound physics principles that have been operating the same way for thousands of years. Now, human bodies have been operating the same way for thousands of years. They've been losing fat the same way for thousands of years, and there's some very scientifically sound principles for losing fat. This tape will teach you how to lose fat using these principles. Okay, let's use this tape to lose fat. The tape is in two parts. If you'll notice, in the lower left-hand corner of your screen is a time counter. You can use this counter to locate anything on the tape to play over for reference. You see, this is a tape you can really use. It's like your own personal fat loss trainer. If you need to replace something for reference, you just run the tape to exactly the spot you need to review. Also, in parts of the tape, I will refer you to other parts of the tape that you'll need to go to for certain other important information. Whenever I do this, I'll give you the exact time count to find what you need. So by keeping a pen and paper handy, you can tailor-make your own personal fat loss guide to suit your needs. Now, as I said before, the tape is in two parts. Part one teaches you exactly how to lose fat, how to use precisely timed food intake and exercise to change your body chemistry in a way that will cause it to burn fat all day during your normal work day. Part two is your reference section. It has everything else you need to know. How to work around your personal schedule, exactly how to eat, exactly how to exercise, and some very important other interesting things. Let's go straight to part one, how to lose fat. There are 5 things that affect the shape of your body: bone structure, muscle size, water retention, glycogen stores, and fat content. This is a tape about fat content. Losing fat is easy if you understand how it works. You don't lose fat efficiently by exercising. You don't lose fat efficiently by dieting. You lose fat efficiently with this formula and this formula alone. You do what it takes to, over the longest period of time, cause your body to generate the largest difference between calories burned and calories taken in a biochemical environment that favors the burning of fat. Let's take a closer look at this. Suppose you do aerobics for 1 hour. Suppose you burnt 600 to 800 calories and about 240 to 320 of them were fat. Now, there are about 3,500 calories in a pound of fat. As you can see, 1 hour of aerobics barely cuts into it. But suppose you could use less exercise a different way, by carefully timing it with the right food intake to raise your resting metabolism. Let's say for the ease of multiplying 100 calories per hour all day. If we did it for 15 hours, that's 1,125 to 1,500 additional calories burnt through the day during your normal activity. Are you interested?
You like it? You can have it.
I'd rather have this.